The HYSUM 10-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard offers impressive stability thanks to its wide design, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned paddlers alike. Crafted from high-quality military-grade materials, this paddleboard is not only lightweight, but also incredibly durable, ensuring a long lifespan and resistance to wear and tear. Featuring 13 D-rings, the board is highly versatile, allowing for easy attachment of kayak seats, cooler bags, and other gear, making it perfect for a variety of activities. The included hand pump allows for rapid inflation in approximately 10 minutes, and the entire setup fits conveniently into the premium backpack for effortless transport and storage. This complete package includes an adjustable aluminum paddle, 3 removable fins, a safety ankle leash, a repair kit, and a waterproof bag, catering to all your paddleboarding needs. Overall, the HYSUM inflatable paddleboard is a well-rounded choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile board for exploring oceans, lakes, and rivers.